These easy lemon cheesecake bars are ultra creamy and packed with fresh lemon flavor. Start by adding graham cracker crumbs to a bowl with melted butter and sugar, and mix that together until it looks like wet sand. Transfer the crumb mixture to an 8-inch baking pan that's lined with foil or parchment paper, and press the mixture tightly into the bottom of the pan. Bake at 350 for 10 minutes. Add cream cheese to a bowl and beat that until it's light and creamy. Add sugar and mix that in. Add lemon zest, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. And mix that until it's well combined. Add a lightly beaten egg and fold that in with a silicone spatula. Transfer the batter to the prepared crust and bake at 300 for 30 to 35 minutes. Cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for 8 hours. Slice into bars and serve. You can get this full printable recipe on bakedbyinintrovert.com.